Hello, wonderful. Today, we are going to be learning how we can make using React the lead mall and lead left. So, like you can see, we have a simple page using Next.js Tailwind, and we have some long text allowed to palette. Now, we want to have a lead mall and lead left, which you can find on many social media platforms such as Facebook. So let's see how we can create it using Next.js and React and the component. So like you can see, I don't have anything set up, just a simple Next.js project and a simple page, and this is all the text. So let's see how we can make a lead model and lead left. So I like to make it as a component. You can make it here, but let's just create a quick component and like it. So I will just say components, and I will go to a like lead one. But yes, which will have all the syntaxes, all the. So the first thing we need to do to create it is to define it as a client. So are going to be using use. Then we need to import the app. So till I imported the app, then we are going to be using the app to use state and use effect. Then I need to make a export function of read, which which this is the component, and I'm going to just pass in a parameter called full full heritage, and then we need to make uh, a con a quick use case. So here set that and something called that this is the variable and the function. Then I need to define it as the use state, and cause it would be a paragraph. I forgot the person list. And we need of course, a return. And instead of return, we are going to take the volley key tag, and inside of it, we are going to have a lot of. So the first thing is creating a p tag, and just setting the p tag to be equal to the text. And I forgot to add another use case which we are going to be using, which is called more answer, which is just which will be able then to, to show we wanted to have the full text or the short text. So you say true. The default will be true, so true in the margin. And here we need to create a then inside of it going going to create a not another dad. In both cases became big, little, and the second would be lead less, and the first would be lead. And we need a space like this, a little space. So now it's time for us to make the use effect. Um, yeah, but first we need to add in an unpick of something and another law of calling left. And these functions we are going to make them little so for liquid be a function just setting the set mar to be a pause and the set that to be the full parity. And of course we need another control left and in this one going to just set the mar blue uh, and we are going to make this hashtag something else. We are going to get back to it in a second. So let's really quickly define a simple use case and this use case will be asynchronous function and here we are going to set text to be full paragraph dot sub dot subling and just here we will set the first one be below and the other 300 or how much you want and that's for question. So let's test out this, but first we need to copy this tag under here, but it's more. So actually let's see now test it. So let's just go here, hold this. I don't need now this p tag. I will call the lead model. It's automatically imported it to me, and it's here. That's a full paragraph. Then I will just pass it here. So they all the text. So like you can see, it's really long. And now we can just go and little uh, lead model click it, little and lead left little. And the and we will fix this a little later. So let's just go back to it sorry for some reason I closed it. So let's just go back to it and go here and go here and just have this open and this could be an 8 Little. Now, when we go on the flat, the third unknown element. Now, like you can see this, so, and it's not cursor pointer. So, what we need to do is that we take class name, call it cursor pointer, and another class name, cursor pointer. Little. So now when we go and refresh little cursor pointer, and now it will totally work. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more cool videos. And if you want to, the source code, it will be down below.